Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Andy's market comment for Wednesday, the 9th of December 2020. Wall Street last night went up about 105 points. S&P was up about 10 and NASDAQ was up 63. Our market at the moment's up about 33, so it's not a bad run to make it start. You know, moving above 6,700. A few sort of highlights to come from last night. Nomura has their stock sentiment chart out, and you'll find that in the body of my Andika Bulletin email today. Surprisingly, it's at its highest since 2004, and as I mentioned yesterday, global stocks now have a $100 trillion US market cap. Speaking of getting money while the money's good, Tesla came out and raised another $5 billion because they could, and pushing the stock price even higher and higher. Yesterday, I also sent out an email regarding uranium stocks. The main takeout there was, according to S&P Global, there's a bill that's before the House and the Senate. I think it was actually last Friday, so it's actually, coming into law, which effectively provides for the US military to continue a policy, and this will keep occurring under President-elect Biden, that classifies all domestic supplies, that's supplies not mines, of certain materials such as uranium, graphite and lithium as vital to national security. Add to the fact if Biden gets his way, he wants to go and do the new Green Deal and all that sort of stuff, nuclear is going to have to be part of that equation. I mean, anyone with 1 ounce of intelligence knows you can't go to net zero emissions just purely on, wind turbines and solar panels and that stuff. You need something that will constantly and reliably pump out electricity 24/7, 365, and the only thing that can do that is uranium or nuclear power plants, or you got to go into an absolute massive scale of hydro dams. But anyway, refer to that email from yesterday about which uranium stocks listed on the ASX might be worth a little bit of look. In terms of other bits and pieces, gold had another nice little run up again, so did silver, and Bitcoin just slipped below US 19,000, just so people get an idea of what that's worth using the Aussie dollar. One Bitcoin's $25,300, so still big bickies, and some people are starting to think it's run its race in the short term with a pullback expected. So if that's something that you might want to look into, there are ways of getting it, but unfortunately it's not something we can buy on the ASX. There's no exchange traded fund that trades cryptos. I wish there was. It'd make my life a lot easier, but you have to go into certain specialized platforms to buy it, and it's not as simple as that in terms of how the ownership's put together. But if anyone really wants to know more, well, they can. Anyway, I like to try and keep these videos between 2 and 3 minutes. I see we're just over 3 minutes now, so I'll sign off now and try and catch everyone tomorrow. Take it.